Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. If you're new here today, I hope you like it and you'll hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and hit that like button. And as always, if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate your loyalty. So today I'm so excited because I have my Lovelythingsbox, and they always put the best things in this box. Of course, I will leave a link below with a discount, so if it's something that you're interested, and they always sell out really quick. So let's get into it. See if I opened it up. It's already open. It's kind of like a lifestyle box. It just comes with so many goodies. And they put in a card. I love when they do that. And it's got the items, and this one is Summer of Love. And it's got yellow with pink, so that makes it hard for me to read, but we'll get through it. And it's got yellow foosies, so my trail this week will be yellow. And ooh, the first two things I see are iPads, and you can heat them up or cool them down, and they are pineapples. So if you want to heat them up in the microwave or cool them down in the refrigerator, you just stick them on your eyes. How fun are these? So I'm liking these, and there's two pair. These are, is this a cucumber? Trying to figure out. I know these are pineapples, but are these cucumbers? Either way, they'll be great. So, are they on the card? This card is really, oh, hot and cold iPads. Relax, okay, no problem there. And they retail for $7.50 each. So since my daughter's coming in, we could cool them off and sit in the backyard and catch some sun. So I'm liking those. Won't say no to those. And then, pink bag. See what's in here. Ooh. And this is So Rich treatment. Looks like it might be a treatment for your cuticles. So Rich cuticle oil, perfect. And this retails for $18. So I'm definitely going to use this and share that with my daughter. The one that really needs it the most is my son. Ever since he was little, he chomps on his nails. I mean, he just eats them for lunch. I had tried everything. I put like vinegar on his nails so that he wouldn't eat them, but he would just chomp on them. You know, we'd be places and he'd be talking to people and he'd be chomping on them, and I would slap his hand. And to this day, I think at his wedding, he was chomping on them. And I told his wife, he's your problem now. And she tells me he still does it. And we got Millennial Beauty plus. It 30 milligram water tank capacity plus hydrating plus ultrasonic vibrating technology. I don't know what it is. It's a mist sprayer. So do you put water in? Oh, here we go. Add water, rotating to open the water tank, filling with the mineral water, and then rotating to close water tank. And then you just on-off button and spray, I guess. I've never heard, but you have to use mineral water. Doesn't look like it would last very long. Something different, something new to try, and something new to buy. Have to get some mineral water. And let's see if I can find that. Probably the last thing. I didn't find it. Come along. Yeah, there is so much stuff in this spot. And then we have the PO Eye Serum, Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. Okay, will not say no to eye serum. And see if I can find that. Oh, I did find the facial mist sprayer, and that retails for $25. And now I can't find the other one, so we'll find that one. And then we have the California Dreamin' Soy Candle. I love these little candles. Oh, God, there's a little flower on the top. And you need to come over here and smell this, like right now. This smells so good. Oh. And that little flower on the top. My daughter will probably want that. And then we have refreshing face mask spray. Is that a pineapple? What do we do with this? Directions. Shake well before use. Spray 1 to 2 times with 5 to 8 inches distance on outer side of reusable face mask. I've never heard of that. The eye serum was $10. Never heard of reusable face mask. And then we have Beach Baby Body Butter. And I could just imagine what this smells like. Oh, it's all sealed up. But I could just imagine. I hope you guys are on your way over. Oh my God. It smells like total beach. sorry. It's just, it goes on so nice. And it smells just like you're sitting at the beach. So yeah, it's a keeper. Not that we have a whole lot of beaches around here. Okay. And sweet sunflower. Is it a book? It's a palette. I'm like, I thought it was a book. This is what it looks like. And that's what the outside looked like. And I'm thinking it's a little book. Some really pretty summer colors in there. Wow. This is why I like to watch other people open their boxes. So I don't. Okay. And there's still more. Face Story Sun Base Smoothing Mask. Oh, what's this? Pomegranate Boost Toner Mist. Oh, I bet you that's really good. Is it spray or pump? Looks like it's a spray. That's always nice. Now this is a book. Good ideas start here. And of course it's all wrapped up. So I'm not sure what this is. I didn't want to open it. The palette retails for $12. The facial mist sprayer, I said that was $25. I think it's a tote. It's a piece tote. Wow. What an awesome box. So we got the piece tote and we got this beautiful palette. Of course, I thought it was a book. We got a face mask. I'm not quite sure what's in here. I didn't open it, but I'm sure it's filled with goodies. And we got this toner. Sure there's nothing in this box. We got the refreshing face mask spray. And I have to investigate the what kind of mask is reusable. And this body butter, the eye, and the water spray for mineral water, the cuticle oil, that's a nice thing. And this candle, which smells good, and 2 eye masks. So I bet you the retail on this box was really high. So what'd you think? Leave comments below. This box I just love getting. I mean, They usually do put a makeup item or something in there, but I don't get it for the makeup. I just get it because it's just such a great box of just refreshing. So thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next video.